video anymore.
One word. Show me he's got good manners.
Mas he's got good manners, but
Zeus. What do
representative.
you say? What do you say? Hey, what do you say?
I'm done.
What do you say?
No.
You gonna say please? Hey, you want that? What do you say? Show me your wings. Wings. Come on, show me your wings. Zeus, let's see your wings. Open them up. Open them up all the way.
Wow.
Let's see your wings, Zeus. Come on, open them up. Good boy.
Oh gosh, that's gorgeous.
Here, want a piece of that? Nope.
Oh my god.
He just said what?
What did you say?
Whoa.
Say what?
Here we go, Zeus.
Wow.
What is his name again? Hi.
What are you doing? What's going on? You gonna talk? I know you like talking. You're talking a bird. Come on. Okay, wait. Is there a gremlin in here too somewhere?
Is there what?
A gremlin.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
And I don't mean the good little one. Oh, don't, babe.
What is his
Don't
name?
do that. Man, don't do that.
What is his name? Whoa.
Woohoo!
That's your name?
That's what he told me.
All right, Tony.
Yeah. Get her done. Come on.
Step up. Step up. Come on, step up.
You can't get him to talk?
Good boy. Now, one place I don't like him to be is on my shoulder. 'Cause they become dominant, and then they can bite, take your ear off. And
Oh.
I'm not 100% sure. I've seen his dark side.
Oh.
I know his potential. And the person that he nails is the person that goes, it never happened to me. And then it does.
I'm surprised you have your ear.
Sharon had part of her ear bit off by an umbrella cockatoo before I ever knew her. And that bird loved her, and it never did anything aggressive. And then
Slept
just
with
one
me in my
day,
bed every
boom,
night.
took half her ear off.
Yeah.
Yikes.
That hurts.
And Tutley, the one he just put away, flew off of his perch in the house and bit my shoulder really
She
bad.
has a scar from the other. And then I tried to get him off her, and I got bit. So.
Yikes.
He can be pretty dangerous. He's funny, but very dangerous.
So you guys keep all these birds at your house?
Yeah, I had 37 birds in my house. Big house.
You have a like a bird aviary?
What's that?
You have a bird aviary or something?
No, I just have a big house. They all have indoor cages and outdoor cages. So
Oh,
they
wow.
all come in at night.
Except us.
Oh, that's cool.
Huh?
That's very cool.
If I put them together, some of them would kill each other.
No, not kill. Put them all away. They're in the cage. That's
Oh, yeah, you can see them, but you gotta get your
they're loud.
You just reach down, I mean, not reach down, you reach down, help those that
Sage, this is the largest bird that
they fly down next to you. We have one fly off the land.
Are you getting anxious? What is this one's name?
They don't.
That one is, Thor.
They're not aggressive.
Hi,
They
Thor.
bite out of fear.
Hi, Thor. Talk to me.
I mean,
Hi, Thor.